Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and in this quick fire video we're making a great appetizer on the Memphis wood fire grill. We're making orange cheese cups. And this is how you make the cheese cups. Start by setting your grill to 350 degrees. Then you want to chop some white chocolate. Next, you want to remove the rind and chop some cheese. I prefer Fromager Dauphinois, but you can also go with brie or camembert. You also want to zest an orange into thin strips. When all the ingredients are prepped, it's time to start filling the shells. Start by adding the chopped white chocolate, then you want to add the cheese, then you want to add sweet orange marmalade, and finally top with the orange zest. The grill is now up to temperature and the shells are all prepped out, so it's time to put them in for about 6 to 8 minutes. And that is how you make these amazing orange cheese cups. And I think the only thing left for me to do is to try these and see what it tastes like. There we go. Awesome flavors. You get the sweetness, you get the chocolate, and then you get that beautiful French cheese. This is really good. I hope you try it at home. Happy grilling.